What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be making egg-free chocolate cake. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350. So first we're gonna put in the flour, then the sugar, and then baking soda, and then cocoa powder, and then salt. Then stir until blended. Then in each corner make little wells. And then just get that for the side. Make 3 wells. Once you're done with that, get butter. You have to make a big one and then put the butter inside of the big one. And then get vanilla. It doesn't matter now. All you have to do is make a big one and put the butter in that. And then vanilla. Then vinegar. Then pour water all over it. Then stir until blended. Generously spray your pans. To make sure it doesn't get stuck in the pan, flour it and then beat it.
So it looks like that.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making egg-free with
Let's get out.
So we ended up making this cake out of the cake right there. We kind of forgot to take a picture of it before we destroyed it. And we have another one of these in the freezer for quarantine.